In this video, I will teach you on how you can download and install the best adult applications for your Android TV, Google TV, Nvidia Shield, and all the Android TV boxes. Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Zino in the building, and in this video I will teach you on how to install the best adult apps for your Android TV box, Google TV, Nvidia Shield, and everything else. That being said, this tutorial will also include an exclusive library with exclusive applications that you might not have come across before. And don't forget, no matter your level of experience, this journey is for everyone. All you have to do is follow each step carefully till the end for the best result. So who's ready for some adult applications? Let's get started right away and not waste any more time. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to head over to your settings gear on the top right corner on your device. Click on it and go into System. Click on About. And you want to go all the way down here until you see Android TV OS built. It might be somewhere else for you, but it's going to be practically the same. You want to go ahead and click on it 7 times or 6 times to become a developer. As you can see, currently I'm already a developer, but so that's not needed. But after that, you will see the developer options appearing in the settings right here. A quick tip for everyone that has a slow responding device: you want to go ahead and set your Windows animation skill to 0.5, and also this one right here, 0.5 and 0.5. It will speed up the animation a bit. It's not really speeding up your device, unfortunately. I do have a pretty slow one. I need to do a factory reset soon to make it a bit faster. But that being said, let's continue, and we're going to search for an application. It's going to be called Downloader. Go ahead and download that app. Just type in the D and then the O. Maybe it will show up. Let's see. DO. There you go. Click on it. It's going to be this orange icon. Let's go ahead and install it. And just wait for it. This is what I mean. It's pretty slow for me. I'm definitely going to do a factory reset likely today. Overall, it's a slow device. We're using a Google TV Chromecast 4K. I wish they would come up with an upgraded version of an Nvidia Shield, but then like in a Google style, because I don't need to game on it. It's more for entertainment to me. But yeah, or at least Nvidia Shield 2024. I mean, it's last time they built it was in 2019, but don't let me get you bored with all this nonsense. Let's go ahead and open up that downloader application and continue this awesome adult tutorial. Damn, it's not even opening. Open. Oh wait, it's gonna pop up this message. I hope it's not so slow for you as it is for me, but that's just because I have so much shit on it. That being said, you have to click access to allow to give access to the device. Click OK here, and this is gonna be a search bar where you actually can type in a URL, meaning World Wide Web. You can browse websites with it, but we're gonna type in a code, and the code is gonna be 2, 3, 4, and I believe 7, 5, 3. This is out of the top of my head. I hope it's correct, and it's correct. So that's awesome. That means that we're connecting to a website now, which is not actually a website. It's an application that's in the cloud. That being said, it's already installing, and you will get this message popped up. I haven't pressed anything. You have to click on settings, and you have to allow access so we can download applications from it. Go ahead and access it, and it's gonna pop up the message to install. Let's go ahead and install it. It's that easy. That being said, just wait patiently, and that's it. Now we can open it up, so let's do that right away. And this is where we will get the adult applications. This is a library here. We can access apps like mentioned before. These will be exclusive applications. We need to type in a library code name, and the code name is gonna be everything. Let's wait for it to load up. Damn, it's slow. It's gonna be everything just as I type it in. Oh yeah, it comes right away. Doesn't need to be capital. I don't know why it's capital. Go ahead and press enter. It's gonna load up this awesome library. It has practically 70 exclusive applications, and you will get a welcoming message. It's very important to read it, because there will be a link in that welcoming message for anyone. Like I mentioned before, it's 70 applications. All of them have their value. Some are specifically for adults, some are for sports, etc, etc. If you want an all-in-one solution for everything and you want to pay a small fee, go ahead and visit the link. It will give you access to an application with all the things that are in this library and everything else in the world. That being said, I will leave a link on the screen in a QR code so you can scan it and visit it, or when you see the welcoming message. And let's go ahead and enter the library. You will see all the files. That's the first thing you will see when you click down once. And I have categorized everything. If you go down one more time, you will see the number 1 apps. The number 1 apps have to do with the welcoming message. Check them out. They're awesome. The number 3 in there, the order might change, by the way, is going to be a VPN. I highly recommend everyone to just use a VPN. In some countries, it is necessary. That being said, in some countries, you might need a VPN to make this work. That being said, unlock a world of online freedom and security with NordVPN by using our exclusive discount code. This will give you ultimate privacy, access to all content, and much, much more. Check out the discount link in the description. And that's going to be a paid VPN. It's the top VPN, but any VPN will do. If you don't have the funding for that, that's totally fine. I've used Proton VPN for free before. It works awesome, you know, but it's just you don't have a lot of options in what your location want to be. You can I highly recommend you then picking the Netherlands, which is the one that I've tested. That being said, let's continue. If you press down again, you will see adult apps appearing. So currently there are 3. There will more coming, but these are the top rated ones. Go ahead and install whatever one you want, or all 3. Enjoy yourself with your partner. I don't know, you do your thing. I'm here to help you out and guide you through this process. That being said, let's go ahead and scroll more down. You will see all kind of things: tools, movies, live, etc, etc. All the way down, let's do a quick demonstration on how to install an application on this library. So we're gonna use this background app closer. Go ahead and click on it, click on download, and it's gonna download in the background. Just wait patiently, and it's gonna pop up a message. Let's go ahead and click install, and we're gonna need to allow access again. It's just once you do that. You need to toggle on. Let's go ahead and press back. It's gonna pop up this message right away. Click install. That's how easy it is. Bada bing, bada boom. After that, it is installed. Let's press the home button and see if it's really actually installed. And there you have it. So this is a background closer. You can close apps with it easily. I think the speed loss that I have is more in the system files. That being said, you can close all apps right here, but you can also see system user, and I think I have too much right here. I don't know. That's why I'm going to do a factory reset. That being said, I believe we've covered all the points in this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please do let me know. Leave me some feedback. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget, I'll see you in the next one.